There's a Gusser. Gus, where's your skis? Where did they go?
All right, we are at Midtown Market in Arroyo Hondo.
Breakfast burritos.
We are gonna head up to Taos Ski Valley and go up to Williams Lake Bowl and hopefully ski the northwest face of Sin Nombre. And it's gonna be the first time for any of us skiing that, so hopefully it's not a sheet of ice. So we are just above the Williams Lake Bowl. Williams Lake is right down here. And we're gonna shoot over to the right and then come up and you can see Sin Nombre back here. All right, we are on top of Sin Nombre. We got Wheeler in the background, and then we got Simpson Peak. Gonna go down slightly different face than we'd planned, but it's been sitting in the sun a while, so should be pretty good.
Something in the air, sorry if I stare. I got the feeling that tonight you're gonna take me there. Take me to the moon and put me in my tomb. She took my hand and started walking to the back room. The shit is getting real, I don't know how to feel. I thought she was a snack, turned out she'd be the whole meal. I'm about to climax, cause of your finesse. The day we met I knew you weren't something that I could bypass. Make sure that you wanna play. I'm pretty fucking good at this game. Is there anything you wanna say? Any famous last words before this gets insane? Loving you is supernatural. It's impractical and I need it. This vibe is something magical. We've been on a ball, so let's keep it. Loving you is supernatural. It's impractical and I need it. This vibe is something magical. We've been on a ball, so let's keep it. 30 Saturdays, I've had some Saturdays. Waking up to 2 bad bitches, smoking purple haze. Stuck in paradise, let's add a little spice. Coca, Pepsi, Brahma, gin, lemon, a lime, not being nice. Make sure that you wanna play. I'm pretty fucking good at this game. Is there anything you wanna say? Any famous last words before this gets insane? Loving you is supernatural. It's impractical and I need it. This vibe is something magical. We've been on a ball, so let's keep it. Loving you is supernatural. It's impractical and I need it. This vibe is something magical. We've been on
So I jinxed us a little bit and said there'd be no bloopers. Marshall accidentally lost a ski, which is now right there. You know, I think it was just really hard snow. Yeah, it just busted. Ah! Well, we made it back safe and sound after a little scare in the couloir off Sin Nombre.